It is a nationwide safety movement among law enforcement stemming from an issue right here in Austin.
Multiple law enforcement agencies tell Fox 7 because of the ongoing carbon monoxide issues APD is having with its Ford Explorers, they're now taking action too.
Fox 7's RaeAnn Christensen joins us live in studio with more. Ray.
Mike and Rebecca, San Antonio, Houston, Harris County sheriffs, even agencies across the United States, it's now going to be a common sight seeing carbon monoxide detectors in Ford Patrol police SUVs.
The departments don't want anything bad to happen to the officers that are out protecting the community.
Not taking any chances. Multiple law enforcement agencies across the state are taking note of a carbon monoxide issue plaguing the Austin Police Department. Charlie Wilkeson is with the Combined Law Enforcement Associations of Texas, and he says he's never seen anything like this in his career.
We know that it's unsafe, and we know how unsafe it is. And we know that at the outside they could die in that unit, and so it's insane that we'd have this kind of situation.
In Harris County, sheriffs say they have installed carbon monoxide detectors in all of their Ford Explorers and are adding temporary ones right now in all of their Ford Interceptors. A senior deputy says even their new Ford units will come standard equipment with a carbon monoxide detector.
It beats the alternative of not knowing where the level is. So it's good for them to put it in there.
The San Antonio Police Department took precautions back in April, installing disposable carbon monoxide detectors. SAPD is also telling their officers to really pay attention when their patrol units are idling with their windows shut. This is partly because of an incident with an APD sergeant.
What the man? And I hit the curve over here.
Sergeant Zachary LaHood almost passed out behind the wheel. He was taken to the hospital where high levels of the poisonous toxin was found in his body. Sergeant LaHood is still out on leave and has filed a lawsuit against Ford Motor Company. The attorney representing LaHood, according to his website, is also representing dozens of consumers and another police officer from Newport Beach who lost consciousness driving his patrol car and crashed into a tree. The Houston Police Department says safety of officers is a priority, so they are doing random safety checks on their more than 400 Ford Interceptors. Wilkeson praises the agencies not having issues for taking precautions. He says having safe units for officers shouldn't even be a question.
The least we can do for these officers across Texas and specifically in Austin is to make sure that the unit they use to deliver law enforcement to the community, to save lives, protect the businesses, all that's the least we can do.
We reached out to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, regarding the investigation today. It sent a response to us saying, quote, "Safety is our top priority. NHTSA is in contact with the Austin Police Department and is actively investigating to determine if this issue is related to a potential safety defect." Ford said this week these interceptors are modified, which could be the cause of the exhaust-related issues. The city of Austin has confirmed NHTSA is coming to town within the next week or so to inspect those SUVs that have alerted to carbon monoxide.